Welcome back to my channel Info News.
Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood is the same 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine and 9-speed automatic transmission found in the Pilot. All models use all-wheel drive. The Passport was nimble in testing, the ride was comfortable on most roads, and the steering was immediately pleasant, making it feel nimble. It also has 8.1 inches of ground clearance, enough to get you over some pretty rough terrain without breaking the bottom, but it's by no means a serious off-roader. Going with the TrailSport model adds significant off-road capability, but it still can't outperform a Ford Bronco or Jeep Wrangler when the going gets tough. Info News, thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe.